I would say definitely go for it, man. Honestly, really go for it. You don't really have like anything to lose, honestly. Like it was I came in, a little nervous, I got to admit. I've seen you on social media, in the area. I live in the area, I've looked up to you, I have a lot of respect for you, and I feel it, going into it with slight nerves, I got very comfortable very quickly, and with having that comfort very quickly, the results of what we were looking for came very quickly. So I feel like this, honestly, like you don't really have much to lose for anyone who's on the fence.
Hmm.
It's it might at times be a different way of thinking, but there's always context to it. There's always context, and it'll all make sense. It'll all make sense, and it's honestly been a blast with you, Harrison.